Lobster king come, brings a light on the zebra him ride. A champion so tall, he rule the earth, bring love for all. Out of the sea, him crawl pon land. A lobster with vision and mighty hand. Him say, Babylon, your days are done. Claws of Zion, the revolution begun. Him ride pon the zebra stripes, bold and proud. People them bow, the masses them crowd. Him clip up Babylon piece by piece, till the chains of oppression finally release. Oh lobster king, ruler supreme, you bring your love, fulfill the dream. Pon the earth we praise and sing. Hail the lobster, the mighty king. Him chant down the system, chant it for true. Teach the people what your love can do. Him say, light up your chalice, smoke the call is strong. Feel your spirit, you can't go wrong. Righteous vibes, spread far and wide. Lobster bring peace, no reason for hide. Him turn the world irate, one people, one song. Praise Rastafari all day long. Oh lobster king, ruler supreme, you bring your love, fulfill the dream. On the earth we praise and sing. Hail the lobster, the mighty king. Now him gone to Zion, his claws at rest. The earth remember him rule was the best. In every corner them chant his name. Hail lobster, Jah eternal flame. People them gather, the chalice them raise. Him legacy live on infinite praise. A lobster so wise, him change the scene. Him reign forever, a Rasta dream. Oh Jah Jah, send us a sign, guide us like lobster so divine. Him bring the love, the unity grow. Praise the lobster, the earth overflow. Oh lobster king, ruler supreme, you bring your love, fulfill the dream. On the earth we praise and sing. Hail the lobster, the mighty king. Lobster ride on Zion train. Claws of love forever reign. Lobster ride on Zion train. Claws of love forever reign.